and I bring you guys back to the place that I fall. Hey. Hey. I am sending my bike to the bike shop to have a check on it, and because my brake is having some issue after the fall, I had on Monday. So I just spoke with the bike shop guys, and he just said just send my bike to their place. So today it will be my no bike day. Hopefully I send to them, and tomorrow to get the things done. And the bike shop is actually very near to my house, alright, and the bike shop is actually opposite of my office, so it's very close. So it's very convenient for me to sort things out for my bike, and that's the main reasons I pick up cycling, because this bike shop is so far I'm very comfortable with them. They are very generous in terms of sharing their skill, their knowledge to me as a newbie, how to start, how to pick a bike. So far I'm very comfortable with them. Okay, so I'm going to leave my bike here. My bike is ready. I am going to pick it up now. Let's go. So, this is the place. Zavinzi Cycle Hub. Alright. Get my bike. Where's my bike? Where's my bike? Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, I just got my bike fixed. I'm heading to Putrajaya now to test my bike. And you see this foldy here? Yes, I'm riding with my wife today. Let's see. And I'll bring you guys back to the place that I fall. I am reaching the place where I fall. Now the light is still on because it's about it's not 8 yet, it's 7:46 now. Okay, I guess this is the place. You see, I was at this junction whether I want to go left or right. Now this is the one that I got hit. Let me show you guys. So you guys see, This is the gap that my wheel caught up. Yep. So yes, this is the place, and it's actually approaching like 2 left or right junction. So at that moment I supposed to go straight, but you know, my buttock itchy and I turned right. So when I turned right, then my wheel just got stuck onto it. Anyway, yep, it happened, just happened. Just let you guys know, this place is actually just next to the sepak takraw court. Right, be careful guys. Well, back to my bike. I just changed my brake here to Shimano 105 brake. It's a rim brake. So previously I was using those made in China. Because my brakes is having some issues after the fall, so I decided to change to this Shimano 105. So now my whole group set is on Shimano 105. It's a complete set. Previously when I got this bike, it's actually mixed Shimano because it's way cheaper, but now I'm having it in a full set, and the brake response is very well as compared to those China made brand. So I'm pretty satisfied with this, and the bike shop is really helpful, and you know that he helped me to adjust everything, you know. And yep, talking about the price, the fee that I pay is really affordable. Thanks to them. So I will do a video about the bike shop that I went. It's actually a Zabinci Cycle Hub. Right, as I mentioned in my previous video, their bike shop is actually just opposite my office, so I can easily visit them regularly, and you know, to learn with all the seafood. Whew. My wife is just at the back of me. She's actually riding a 40, and now and she's doing better and better now. She can catch up with my bike. Okay. Well, I have to enjoy my ride today with my wife. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Alright, see you guys later.